with here with my American subscribers straight from United States of America to the Gambia. That's Amara's wife. So in case she's having her own YouTube platform called Falke Network. So go subscribe, like and share, support her as an African sister. Watch our videos today from the beginning to the end. Falke Network. So look how green the Gambia is, how unique the smiling coast is. So in case when you never visit the fish market in the Gambia, so that's the road, that's the way to lead you to TANJI. Unique smiling coast, look how green it is. That's my driver Jibril. As I always do it, I will drop his number in case when coming to Gambia, simply contact him, talk to him live and direct. I can simply say this, the famous driver right now in the Gambia, the unique and wonderful. He takes his time to drive comfortably. So I will drop his number so that you can simply contact Jibril. He will pick you from the airport and then drive you for the whole of your holiday in the Gambia. So as I said, we want to represent the United States of Africa, red, white, blue, white, green for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. We stand, we strive, we work and pray that all may live in unity, freedom, peace each and every day. Let's justice guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood. So before I go further, I would love to extend my greetings all over the world. In England, Finland, Netherlands, Holland, Norway, Germany, Sweden, America, Guinea-Bissau, Conakry, Ghana, Congo, Cameroon, Malawi, Tanzania. See me soon in all those African countries, right? When I say England, Norway, America, I have African diasporas, African brothers and black American, black British, you know, those are Gambians, or those are Africans, the ancestors are from Africa. That's what I'm saying. Try to balance, big up to Sarah, to American people out there, because we got whole African brothers all over the globe. So thanks, shout out to Gambian police, you know what I mean? They are lovely, welcoming people in the Gambia, welcoming the tourists and welcoming the visitors. You know, so we send big salute to Gambian police. So here go, right now we are within between Tanje and, you know, Ghana Town. Ghana Town is found by the Ghanaians who are following the roots of their ancestors. So this is where Ghana Town is, and this their major fishing center is. So right now I passed through Ghana Town. I did video with the Ghanaians in here. I have over 20,000 views within 3 months. So right, in case if you don't know about the Ghana Town, you can go to Falke Network. Globally, you can simply see how Ghana are located right in the Gambia, and then we have a little conversation with the Ghanaians in there. So right, all this site is part of Ghana Town. So it is found and then owned by Ghanaians. So most of them are born in the Gambia over 50, 60, 70 years. This place is found by the Ghanaians. So they are Ghanaians. So at the other side, same way. So the Ghana beach. So this Ghana beach in Gambia. So that stuff. Here is the second estate that Tough built in the Gambia. Globally from here, he moved to Nigeria and then built one of the best estates right in Nigeria, owned by Gambian. So right now we are in Brufut, yeah? Yes. So that's Brufut phase 1. So all this is owned by Tough, Gambian brother, who is working each and every day to build over 1 million homes across Africa. So he started from the Gambia, Nigeria, and then he come back to Gambia. He built one of the largest and the biggest smart city in Africa, which is located within between Gunjur and Sifo. So right, and then also established and moved to Sierra Leone, Ghana. So that is Turkey Embassy. That's Turkish Embassy, the office of Turkish Embassy, right? Right. Korean, yeah. Yeah, man. Owned by Uncle Mustafa Jai, Tough Global. Building Africa one step at a time. Tough is building Africa one step at a time. So in case I will drop a number, in case if you need a house or a land from Tough City, you can simply contact the number on the screen, and then get your home at the best view as Tough Madiba Hall, a car for sales in the Gambia. Don't forget to dial my driver, yeah? Jibril. So in case you can simply dial in if you're visiting the Gambia or already in the Gambia, you need this service. I have the Gambia, the Prince of Africa. So do we buy the egg? Is the egg available? Yeah, when we get ready. Pardon? Okay. The egg. Okay, to buy the egg, yeah? Alright. That's right.
Go buy egg.
No, ako mula taho. Benja. The new Gambia in 2026. Big changes have been. Gambia is growing in every 6 months, I do say before, but now in a month you left the Gambia and come back, you see big changes in the motherland, the Gambia. There's a new road built, we just completed like 3-4 months ago. Where do you want to see next in the Gambia? You can drop your comment. Then also let us know where you're viewing us from. That's another side of the Gambia. From Ghana town. Those are the interlocking blocks, in case that's the number. Your phone is vibrating, bring it. G the best driver. Big up, big up, big up.
You said we are right? Yes. You want to sit outside?
Cola? It's cola?
What's up? Huh? Oh, okay. We just come in.
Safe security.
Come will be to the house. All right. Okay.
Good, we're good. How are you? Big up. Yeah, all these buildings are for sale. So in case you need a resident, you need a place, I'll drop my phone number in case you need a place, and if you know how much it is and the payment plan and everything, you can simply dial the number on the screen so you can have your comfort zone, comfort site, Gambia. Wow. Yeah, finally. So basically, subscribe, like, and share for more proper videos in the Gambia, the Smiling Coast. Visit the Motherland, the Gambia. Chibo.